Hello students, welcome to FYBSc class. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the Culture Collection Center from the chapter Microbial Cultivation and Growth of FYBSc Microbiology Paper 2, MB 122 Microbial Cultivation and Growth. The learning objectives of today's lecture is to understand what are culture collection centers, what is the significance of culture collection center, names of different culture collection centers which are operated worldwide. So, culture collection centers are the specialized collection of restricted group of organisms. So by using this culture collection center, they can maintain a wide range of organisms of interest. Several academicians as well as government agency, some international collection culture centers, they will maintain the microbial culture for long period of time. Now what is the purpose of this collection center? So the most important function of culture collection center is to maintain the microbiological culture in the viable or living state, as well as it should be free from contaminant. Contaminants means the growth of unwanted microorganism. And the third main purpose of culture collection center is to make these cultures available at the nominal cost to the research workers as well as to the teachers, students and to the industries. So the significance of culture collection centers are to maintain isolated culture in the pure form for long period of time in a viable condition. The microbial species which was isolated and characterized by the microbiologists, if it is industrially important, then they can deposit their culture in the culture collection center. The main important function of the culture collection center is they provide the culture throughout the world to help microbiologists to obtain the cultures for various studies. It provides many industrially important organisms to carry out the fermentation process. You can take the example of wine industry, where preparation of the alcohol from the fruit juices is carried out in presence of yeast, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. So one has to set an industry, then they can bought the culture from the culture collection centers. Next significance of the culture collection centers is they play a role in the preparation of vaccine. So for that, the specific strain of attenuated microorganism can be demanded by that particular agency and that will be fulfilled by the culture collection center. Attenuated means inactivated culture, that is it's unable to cause the infection. Such a kind of the strain can be obtained by from the culture collection center. In addition to that, it culture collection centers they help to classify new isolated microorganisms. Now some of the centers recognized for this purpose are European Culture Collection Organization ECCO Denmark, German Resource Center for Biological Material DSMZ Germany, Culture Connection University of Göteborg CCUG Sweden, American Type Culture Collection United States, Japan Collection of Microorganisms JCM Japan, World Federation for Culture Collection, WFCC, Pasteur Institute, Paris, France, USSR, Antibiotic Research Institute, Moscow, USSR, Microbial Type Culture Collection, Institute of Microbial Technology, Chandigarh, India, Indian Type Culture Collection, ITCC, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, New Delhi. These are the references. Thank you.